Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Halloween home decor haul. I'm going to show you what I've purchased so far for Halloween this year. Actually, not so far. What I've purchased for this year. I'm not going to buy anything else, I swear, because my home is going to be full of decorations and too many knickknacks drive me insane. So yeah, this is it. It's not a lot, but it's more than enough for me. So if you want to see what I bought this year, keep watching. I did want to say that I did purchase these items in the month of September. I think this video will probably go up the first week of October, and this is the last week of September. So yeah, I hope most of these things are still available. I want to say most of it was from Target and a few things from the Dollar Tree, and I want to say 2 things from Home Goods. So if you want to see them, keep watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to start with Target, and I'm going to start with this little guy right here. I bought like 4 of these little pumpkins. They are super cute. Let me pull these little things out so you guys can see, and I can turn it on. Look at how cute that is. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I'm sure you can see it. So yeah, I bought about 4 of these pumpkins, and they were only $3, and I was super happy because I think they are adorable. I love the change of the light inside of it, and it's so simple and so cute, and it looks so happy. It makes me smile when I look at it. Very cute. I believe they did have a few other colors. I'm not sure what other colors they had because I saw the white one and that was it for me. I was like, yep, I need that. And yeah, 4, thank you. All right, the other item is this cute little ghost, which is the same thing as the pumpkin. It's white, it has the LED light inside, and it turns color. It's super cute. The same thought. Can you see that? How cute is that? I saw it. I think I grabbed like 3 of these. They were also $3 each. Saw them, I fell in love with them. They're so cute. Okay, the next 2 items are these 2 bowls that I grabbed from Target, and they were $3 as well. It's this one, so pretty. It has stripes on it. It's and it also has gold on top of it, and it says "Give me something good to eat" on the inside. Super cute. The other one is this one, which is black, and it has ghosts all over it. Super cute. I love how cute all of these things are. Also $3. It does actually, yes, it does say something. It says "Boo to you" on the inside. Super cute. I love cutesy stuff for Halloween. I'm not that person that likes to have a lot of scary, gory stuff in the home. I just go for the cutesy stuff. So if you like cutesy stuff, then that's what you're gonna see today. The next item is this table sign, which was $3. And what does it say? It just has bottles. It says, "Do not drink me," "Wool of bats cast by night, witch's brew," and "Raven wing" clippings. It's super cute. I saw it and I thought it was adorable. And from Target, the last thing I grabbed was these little books. They're ceramic. How much was it? It was also $3, and it just says "Potions, Hex, and Spells." This is what it looks like. It's very cute. Again, simple as well. Nothing crazy and gory and out of this world. It is very cute and simple. So the next 2 items are from Home Goods. The first one I'm showing you, it's this cute little cup with a ghost face. I guess the theme for this year is ghosts and happy pumpkins for me. Yeah, it's a little ghost, super cute. Look at that face. I saw it and I just fell in love with it. I found this for $3.99, and I think it's super adorbs. You can see it right there, little dude. So the next thing I grabbed from Home Goods is this adorable cookie jar of a mummy head. Like, oh my god, could you die? Like, what? This is so cute. Let me try and open it without dropping it. It doesn't say anything inside. It's just an empty vessel. But oh my god, it's so adorable. Like the face, look at that. Well, the eyes, that's all it has. But I think he's so cute. This was $9.99, which is not bad. Oh my god, I love it. It's super cute. I know, you guys, I've said cute like way too many times, but what else can I say, because I think everything is cute. Anyways, the last three items are from the Dollar Tree, and this is what it is. Candles. I bought 3 of these candles, obviously for $1. They're just white candles, because I want to draw, you guessed it, little ghost faces on them. So I'll have 3 of these and I'll light them up and it'll look really cute. Oh god, there, I said it again. Okay. The next item I grabbed was this spider web. It's a basket, but I'm not going to use it as a basket. I'm going to use it as a stand for the bucket, which was also from the dollar store. And this is like the most colorful things that I have for Halloween this year, other than the plates. No, not even, because the plates are just black and white. But yeah, this is the most colorful thing that I have in the house. But I think I'm going to place this outside when we go trick-or-treating with the kids. For whoever comes to the house, I'll just have a bunch of little bags in here, and I'll leave that outside ready for them. So yeah, I'm just going to glue this on top of the spider web and place it like that. And that's that. So yeah, you guys, that's it. This is the end of this video. This is the end of my Halloween collection for this year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, all these items should still be available in the Target area, hopefully. It's still October, so I know they are already doing the transition into all the Christmas stuff, and you're lucky if you even find Thanksgiving stuff, but there should still be some Halloween stuff. So I'm sorry if they're not available anymore. Like I said, I bought these in early to mid-September, so I'm sure you guys already grabbed a bunch of these things, because I mean, everybody has grabbed these things. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Until next time, my loves, hugs and kisses. Bye.